Hello everyone and welcome to my new YouTube video related to StormGain. This is Scramble from Emotions Crypto Trading, and today's topic is how to short Bitcoin. We're going to learn how the entire trading process is step by step within this tutorial. Until that, make sure to like the video and put your questions in the comments area if you have anything such. On the other side, if you don't have an account and you would like to benefit of bonuses on your deposit plus less fees and commissions that you have to pay for trading and exchanging, make sure to click the link located in the description area or comments area below this video and get into my team. So here we go, guys. The first thing you gotta do is make sure you're signed up and you have funds in your account in order to do this trading. Now there's two things you can go around. Is either you put real funds in your account or you click on this arrow right here on the top right corner, which is giving you the ability to activate the demo account. On the demo account, you get $50,000 that you can use to trade and utilize the platform with all the features, just like you would do with real money, right? Which is something I'm definitely suggesting people on how to do it. Great, so let's get into the topic, guys. First thing, you have to select your instrument, and you have here at the top 5 type of menus which are giving you all sorts of instruments and all sorts of possibilities down the road. I'm gonna go with the BTC paired up with the US dollar with the USDT, and we're gonna open up a trade by clicking on this green button right here, which is giving us the ability to select the trade amount it wants us to cost, the multiplier, which is actually the leverage you're going to get on this trade, and then the commission we're gonna pay. Plus, on top of that, we have the ability to go by limit profit and loss, which is something I'm explaining in the other videos related to StormGain tutorial series that I have on my channel. Make sure you check that out as well to find out how does it work. But for now, we're going to short the market. So in order to short the market, we need to sell the trade. That's how it's called. So for that, I'm going to put here $1,000, and the multiplier is going to be used 10x. So my total worth is going to be $10,000 for the trade. I'm going to click sell, and the market is basically shorted right now. So we're only going to benefit if Bitcoin price is decreasing, and we're going to lose if Bitcoin price is increasing. So exactly the opposite like in traditional trading, guys. You have all the details right here at the My Open Trades with pair and time you have traded, used, which means the leverage multiplied by the amount of money it costs you. $1,000 multiplied by 10 adds up to $10,000 position, the price you have entered, and then basically you can also find out more if you click on the trade, and you will see basically other details as well, plus commission that you paid. You have your trade history, your trade number that you can ask support if you have anything such as needed, and you can also increase your amount of your trade. You can open a new trade or directly close down your trade. So basically that's how it works. Now you can also just hover your mouse over the trade and close out simply by clicking on that button out there and then click yes, close. So your trade is going to be exited. That's the way we short the market of Bitcoin on StormGain, guys. That's the way we can use the leverage trading. And by the way, Bitcoin here is up to 200x leverage. So just like you can see here, you can put it to leverage if you want, but it seems like the minimum is 5 up to 200 for the BTC. So it's not going to work with 2. It seems like we need at least 5. However, if I want to put 50, and I'm going to put here $1,000, which I want to have my cost, it's going to be $50,000 worth size position for just 1,000 with 0.14 fees that I have to support. Very nicely, I can either short or long the market. Long is always green, short is always red on every single exchange out there. So that's the way it works, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out my private one-on-one coaching program located on scramblecoaching.com website, where I am explaining and talking more about it. For those who are looking to become professional traders and do this activity seriously as a business, not just as a hobby or not just something that is sitting on the side while you're trying to make money just like that, well, I can tell you that 90% of the users I've been going through have not been able to make money via trading without considering it as a serious business where they first put resources and efforts into learning how it works and then afterwards start doing it realistically. So before you basically proceed ahead with the trades, I'm suggesting you to apply for the one-on-one coaching, which is during 4 weeks of intensive work on Skype calls covering basically psychology, technical analysis, and live trading. These are the 3 main stages of the coaching, and we have tons of lessons together. So make sure you watch the video first, which is explaining how it works, and then register now for a free conversation with me on Skype where I can explain you how it works if you have other questions as well, right? So thank you once again, guys, for watching. Make sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button out there, and I see you next time.